Hey, it's Jessie from Squeegee Inc. and in this video we're going to show you how we upgraded from this little single arm press to the Riley Hopkins Junior 150. We're going to show you unboxing, setting up the new press, and also take you on one of our market stalls to show you the press in action. This is the design that we're printing on our live printing setup. If you're local and you're in Newbury, you can come to the Newbury Artisan Market and print one for free. Or if you're not, you can still get £10 off all of our limited edition t-shirts on blindmaggot.co.uk. This is the original small little single arm press that we've been using up till now. It's okay, but we feel that we can upgrade a couple of things about it because we'd like to have interchangeable patterns because we want to be able to print canvas bags and t-shirts if we want to, and we'd like something that's still lightweight and being able to move it in and out of these flight cases, but we just need it to be a little bit more robust so that when we get on the market and we're printing, we don't have to adjust things like off contact. So we're going to try out the Riley Hopkins and see if that makes a big improvement to our live printing setup. We bought ours from Screen Print World in the UK, and if you're looking to get one, don't forget to use our discount code, which is CRP5. Let's get the new press set up and I can show you what's inside. I can already tell straight out of the box that this is much higher quality than my old press. Everything seems much more like sturdy and robust. I can tell this is the frame, these must be the legs, and I've got that platen board, which I could change up to a little one if I wanted to. So I'm just going to be good, read the instructions and set that press up. Now we've just finished building the press. It was very easy to do, but it might have taken a little bit longer than I expected, hence why the light is gone and it's getting greener and greener in the room. And for some reason I've got two little things left over, but I can't see where they would have gone in anyway, so hopefully they're just spares. At first impressions, I haven't printed with it yet, but it's great that I've got my springs that aren't hand tightened anymore like on the old one. And there seems to just be a lot more components and brackets and bolts, so I can't imagine it going out and skew as I bring it in and out of this flight case. The van's all packed up, ready to go, so we'll see you in the morning. It's the day after using the Riley Hopkins Junior 150 on the market stall, and I'm just kind of rounding up my opinion of it, and I think it was a great press and a good investment for our particular setup. That's because I'm very sure that as soon as I get it out of the box, it's going to be ready to go again. And when we're doing the setup of the market stall, the last thing we want to think about is off contact, adjusting bolts and making sure our live printing is set up. Throughout the whole day, it just kept its registration. It was very easy to use, and I had a huge range of people using the press, and it didn't even cross my mind to do any adjustments, tightening, or anything like that. I actually barely thought about the press at all until it came to putting the press back in the box, which again was as easy as it could be. In addition to using the press as a live printing press and on the road, we actually will have it in the studio day to day just for overflow work if we do get a single colour job in that we need to do lots of units of. That means that we can still keep lots of multicolour jobs on our big press, so that's a really useful addition to your studio as well. If you're at that stage where you're doing mainly single colour work but you still want a professional grade press. So I'd recommend it for all sorts of studios, and especially as you're coming into it and you're getting into screen printing, maybe for custom work, and you're sticking around the single colour jobs, I think it's going to be a really good investment for you. So I'm very happy with it, and I think it was a great addition to our live screen printing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you hit subscribe, then you'll be notified of our next video. Just to remind you, this design is from our own collection, which is our own brand, Blind Maggot, and you can find these limited edition shirts at blindmaggot.co.uk. We're also giving all of our Squeegee viewers a £10 discount when they buy these shirts, so you just write Squeegee in the checkout to get some money off. Please like the video and also ask any questions in the comments below.